Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall do some arithmetic. And today's arithmetic class begins from number 9. That is, if 2 men and 4 women can reap means अमल करवा धान काटिबा और शस्य काटिबा reap a field in 45 days. Could understand? 2 men or 4 women, that means 4 women is equal to 2 men. Could understand? So, so 2 men or 4 women or 2 men, so 1 day's work is equal to 1 day's work is equal to how many? 145 part.
So 44.
44 part. 44 part is given. Could understand? The question is, if 2 men or 4 women can reap a field in 14 days, means in 1 day they will do 1 upon 45. You know it very well.
44.
44, yes, 44. How long will 3 men and 5 women take to reap 3/4 of the field? So, first we will convert men, either men into women or women into men, so that it would be easy for us to calculate the answer, right? So here 4 women is equal to 2 men, you know. Similarly, 5 women is given. 1 woman is equal to 2 upon 4 men. 5 women is equal to 2 upon 4 into 5 is equal to 2. 5 upon 2 men. Could understand? So, 3 men plus 5 women. 5 women means 5 upon 2 men is equal to LCM 2. 1, 2 divided by 1 is equal to 2, 3 into 2 is equal to 6, plus 5 is equal to 11 upon 2 men. Can you understand? Okay. So, women is equal to, so total let's see, this is a man, here when 2 men, so 1 day's work is equal to how many? 144, 1 upon 44 part. Therefore, 1 man's 1 day's work is equal to how many? 144 into 2. They will work less. Less men, less work. More men, more work. Similarly, therefore, 11 upon 2 men's 1 day's work is equal to into how many? 11 upon 2. Right? 11 how many? 11 4 the. Is 11 4 the is equal to 4 to the 8 to the 16. 1 upon 16 part means 16 days. Okay. So 3 men and 5 women take to reap 3/4 of the field. So 1 work is equal to 16 days. 3/4 of work is equal to how many? 16 into 3/4 is equal to 4 the 12 days. Right answer is 12 days. Which is correct? Number 2 is correct. This is number 3. This is number 3. Number 3 is correct. 12 days, right? Okay, we shall do it. No, it's no problem. Okay, we shall do it. Shift Okay. Done. So number, yes, 3 is correct. Okay. Next, question number 3. Question number 3. 10 children and 12 men complete a certain piece of work in 9 days. That means 10 children, 10, each child takes twice the time by a man to finish the work. In how many days will 12 men finish the same work? So 10 children, just 1 minute. 10 children and 12 men complete a certain piece of work 9 days, right? Could you understand? Each child takes twice the time by a man. 2 children or 1 man is equal to 2 children. Right? How many days will 12 men? Okay, we shall calculate a man. So, that means 2 children is equal to 1 man. Could you understand? So 10 children means how many men? 10 children. 2 children means 1 man. 1 children is 1 half. 10 men is 10 children is equal to into 10 is equal to 5 men. So 5 men plus 12 men. That 5 men, 10 children means 5 men. Could you understand or not? 5 men and 12 men. So 1 day's work. 1 day's work is equal to 1 9 part. Because 9 they complete in 9 days. That means 1 day's work is 1 9th. So therefore this is 17 men. So 1 day's work is equal to 1 upon 9th. Right? Therefore 1 means 1 day's work is equal to 1 upon 9 into 17. Therefore 12 means into 12. Right? So 3 the 3 4 the, that is 4 upon how many? 51. 4 upon 51.
That number.
Is equal to, this is the part. Part means how many? 51 upon 4 days. That is 4 1 the 4. Remainder 1. This one more total 11. 4 2 the 11 minus 8 is equal to 3. 3 0 30. 4 6 4 7 the 28. Remainder 2 0 20. 4 5 the, right? So 12.75. The right answer is 12.75 days. Right? Okay. Next one is, that is 11. A certain number of men can do a work in 45 days. If there were X men less, it could be finished in 15 days. How many men are there? Yes, it's 11. Let there were X men. Sorry, X men. Right? So originally X men can do it in 45 days. Means X means 1 day's work is equal to 145 part. Right? 145 part. 1 man can do, that is 1 man means 1 day's work is equal to 145 x, you know. Right? So 4 less 15 days, 4 men less x minus 4 4 less means x minus 4 means 1 day's work is equal to how many? 1 upon 15. Could understand it? 1 upon 15. So 1 means 1 day's work is equal to 115 into 15 into 1 minus 4. That means 145x is equal to 1 upon 15 into x minus 4 is equal to 145x is equal to 1 upon 15x minus 60. Implies that how many? 15x minus 60 is equal to 45x. Implies that 45x minus 15x is equal to 60. That implies that 30x is equal to 60. Therefore, x is equal to no, it's 15 days more. Could understand it? That is 15 days more means 45 plus 15. 60. This is 60. Okay, this is 60. This is 60. Again, let there be x main originally. Could understand it? There 1 day x means 1 days yes work is equal to 1 days work is equal to 1 upon 45. Could understand? 1 means 1 day's work is equal to 1 upon 45 into x. Similarly, in the second instance, x minus how many? 4 mean x minus 4 means according to question x minus 4 means right 1 day's work is equal to 45 plus sorry 1 day's work is equal to 15 days more means 45 15 60. That means 1 upon 60 part. Could understand it? Therefore 1 means 1 day's work is equal to 1 upon 60 into x minus 4. That means let's make the equation 1 upon 45x is equal to 1 upon 60 into x minus 4. Right? Implies that 145x is equal to 1 upon 60x minus 240. Implies that 60x minus 240 is equal to how many? 45x. Cross multiplication. Implies that 60x minus 45x is equal to 240. Implies that 15x is equal to 240. Implies that x is equal to 240 upon 15 is equal to 18. So x is equal to means originally there were 18 members. So the right answer is how many members?
18.
Yes.
18.
This is 16. 15 1 the 9 so 16. This is the 16, right?
10 number तक अच्छे से.
240 upon 15 1 the. Could understand it? 15 1 the 15 remainder 9 0 6 15 6 the 90. So right answer is 16. Right answer is how many?
2. 2. Remember 2.
11 number. This is 11 number.
62.
Yeah, number 2 is correct. Okay. Okay, next number 12. A is twice as fast as B. That means A is equal to 2B, right? And is therefore able to finish a work in 30 days. So A's or 2B's 1 day's, look at the blackboard, 1 day's work is equal to how many? Finish it 130 part. 130 part. Work in 30 days less than B. So sorry. A is twice as fast as B and is therefore able to finish a work in 30 days less than B. Suppose if B takes X days, A takes just 1 minus 30 days. So here let's calculate. A implies that 2B or B is equal to how many? Half A. Could understand? A is equal to B, 2B. B is equal to 1, how? 2B is equal to A. The B is equal to 1 upon A upon 2. B is equal to half. So A minus B, that means A minus B is equal to B. Could understand? So how? Just 1 minute. A is equal to 2B is equal to or A is equal to B plus B. Could understand? That means B is equal to A minus B. Could understand? A 30 days. A is equal to 30 days. 30 days.
30.
Days or 130 part is equal to 2B is equal to 30 days. 2B is equal to 30 days. Right? B is equal to how many? B is equal to, if 2B completes the work in 30 days, 1B will do in more days. That is 30 into 2 is equal to 60 days. Okay, 60 days. Or 160 part. Could understand? In 1 day. A will do the 130 part in 1 day and B's 1 day's work is equal to 160 part. So let's calculate how much will they do the work together. A plus B's 1 day's work is equal to 130 plus 160, that is LCM 60. 60 divided by 30 is equal to 2. And then 60 divided by 60 is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 3 upon 60. 3 1 that is 20 is equal to 1 upon 20 part means 20 days. Okay. 20 days. Could understand? So the right answer is, which is the right answer? Tell me.
Number 2.
Number 2. Which is number 12 number? Number 2. Okay. Number 2. 20 days. Okay. Next one is, that is question number 13. Ramo can finish a work 16 days at 5 hours a day. Hari can finish it in 12 days, 4 hours a day. Find in how many days Ramo Hari can finish it working together 6 hours. Okay, we shall calculate. So Ramos 1 day's work, 1 day's work working 5 hours a day is equal to 1 upon 16th. So Rama's 1 day's work, working 1 hour is equal to 1 upon 16 into 5. ରାମ 16 ଦିନ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରୁଛି ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ଦିନରେ 1 upon 16 1 5 hours କରୁଛି ମାନେ ଏତିକ 1 hour କରିଗଲେ it will take more time. It will take okay. So that is 180 part. Good understand? So similarly B Shamo here Hari here Hari is 1 day's working how many days? 4 hours. Working 4 hours is equal to 1 upon 12. 1 hour is equal to 1 upon 12 into 4. That is 148. Could you understand? Now let's calculate Rama plus Hari. Hari is 1 days, 1 hours work is equal to 148 plus 180. 180 plus 148 is equal to LCM. LCM is equal to that is 240. 240 divided by 80 is equal to 3, you know. Plus 240 divided by 40 80 is equal to 5. That is 9 upon. That is this is 3.8. 8 upon what? 240. That is 81 the 80 30. That is equal to 1 hour 30. Could you understand? 130 days. And this is 1 hour's work. But we are asked to calculate 6 hours work. So there is 6 hours work is equal to, there is 6 hours, 1 hour's work is equal to 130 part. 6 hours work is equal to 6 upon 5. That is 150. This is the answer. 160 part means 5 days, you know. So Rama and Hari can finish it working together 6 hours in how many days? In 5 days. Could you understand? The right answer is 5. Next, 14. A can do a work in 20 days, B takes 5 days to complete it. C takes as long as A, B would take working together. How long will it take it? So let's calculate it. A's 1 day's work is equal to days work is equal to
1 upon 20.
Work is equal to how many? 1 upon 20, right? B's 1 day's work is equal to 1 upon 5. A plus B's, right? 1 day's work is equal to, you know, C's 1 day's work. So let's calculate 120 plus how many? 1 upon 5 is equal to 20. 20 divided by 20 is equal to 1. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Plus 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. 4 1 is equal to 4. That is 5 upon 20 part. That is 1 upon 4. So A plus B plus C is 1 day's work is equal to 120 plus 1 5 plus 1 upon 4 is equal to LCM 20. 20 divided by 20 is equal to 1. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Plus 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. 4 1 the 4. Plus 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. 5 1 the 5 is equal to total 1 plus 4 5. 5 plus 10. 10 upon 20, that is 1 half. Part means 2 days. Could you understand? So 2 days. So that is the right answer is, which one is this? Tell me.
Number 2.
Number 2. Which number? Number 14. No, 2 days. What did I say?
Number 1. Number 1.
Number
1.
1. 2 days. This which number? 14 number.
Number
1. Yes. Number, this is the correct answer. Number 1. 2 days. Right? Next. Okay. And the last one is that is 15 number. What is the 15 number? A and B together can do a piece of work in 7 days. That means A plus B is 1 day's work is equal to, tell me, day's work is equal to 1 upon 7 part.
7 part.
Right. Similarly, if A does twice as much work as B, that means A is equal to 2B. 2B. That means B is equal to A upon 2. Right. So ABC 1 day's work is equal to 1 upon 7, you know. It's given. So, could you understand? So what is asked? Find how long A alone would take to do the work. A alone. A kadin karibo. So means here A plus B. B is 1 day's work is equal to 1 upon 7. So instead of B, we will take A. That means A plus B means A by 2. Instead of B, I applied A, right? 1 day's work is 1/7. Similarly, here 2. 2A plus A is equal to 3A upon 2 is equal to work is equal to 1 upon 7. Could you understand? Right? So, therefore, A's work, this is A's work is equal to 1 upon 7. Tell me, into 2 upon 3 is equal to 2 upon 21 part. That means 2 upon 21 upon 2 days. That is 2 1 2 2 0 the 1 half. So 10 half days. 10 half days. That is A alone would take 10 half days to complete the work. With this, that is the end of today's lesson. Which is correct? Tell me.
Number 4.
Number 4. Yes, number 4 is correct. Okay. With this, that is the end of today's math class. We shall do the other math next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.